Okay, looking very happy today. Wow, what's the reason for your smiling face?
Because I bought this.
So you have bought some new thing. What is this?
It's a hoverboard.
Wow, it
Let's
looks
open it.
wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, you are unboxing it.
Yes.
Wow, it's red color. Wow, looking beautiful.
Can you help me?
Yeah, I will help you to move out. Okay, keep this box on one side.
I will keep this. Yeah.
Sit down. So this is your new hoverboard. Yes, fantastic color. Awesome looking.
Boom, boom, boom.
So do you know how to move it?
Yes.
Where is the on off button?
First, let's turn it around.
Okay, on the opposite side.
Because the light will be at the
Show me where is the on off button?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Okay, I will help you to stand on this.
Yep. I did it. Don't
Comfortable?
Yes.
Okay, don't move.
No.
So this is how it looks. Come forward, move slowly. So you have to do a little bit of practice before you move fast. Otherwise,
No.
in the initial stage,
No.
you have to make balance.
No.
Once you learn how to make balance, you
I
can
know how to
move.
make balance.
You can move, roam about, turn it on one side.
I am too fast.
You are doing it wonderfully.
It's all.
Okay, Shiva, that's a wonderful gift. Okay, do you want to give some message to your viewers?
Yes.
Okay, what message do you want to give?
When you on this, but not on this. I mean, when you when you practice on it, first you will have to put guards on you.
Okay, you have to put guards so that you
Don't
don't
fall
get
off and get hurt.
yes, so you don't get any injury. Okay, you have to move it slowly initially, and once you get practice of moving it, then you can move fast.
Yes, right?
The another thing is we have a charger for it. When we charge it,
Yes.
you don't have to charge it for more than 1 or 2 hours, maximum 1.5 hours. Because if you charge for more hours, the battery gets damaged.
Will be damaged.
Wow, Shiva, that's a wonderful toy. Should we stop now?
Yeah. Please share, like and subscribe my channel and don't forget the bell button. Okay, bye.